bag lovers, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got for you today this really gorgeous Mulberry zipped Bayswater. It's a size small and it's in this just gorgeous light antique blue. It is just, I love it, the colour's fab. So let me tell you about the features of this bag. You'll see it's got the iconic Mulberry lock on the front. This is just for decoration purposes. It runs from the band that runs all the way around. And then you'll see on the top, it's got a big open zip and two little loops. It comes with a detachable strap. So I'll show you that in a minute, but let's open up the big zip to see this gorgeous large open space and then one flat pocket inside. Let me show you the strap. We'll attach that now. What I really like about this strap is you've got a loop on one side of the bag, so we'll click that on, and then you've got a loop the other side of the bag. So no matter how much stuff you've got, it can get a bit heavy in your handbag sometimes, can't it? It'll be really even, like weight bearing, so it's not going to flop to one side and things like that. So there you go, there's the lovely strap. You can wear it on your shoulder, you can wear it on your arm, and you can even wear it as a crossbody. So let's see, so I'm a UK size 10, 12, and I am 5'4", so you'll see as a crossbody where it sits on me, and on one shoulder where it sits on me, and then on the arm, how it sits. It's just so cute, I love it. The exact measurements of this bag you will find on our website. You'll get the link, as a postman, you will get the link in the description for this video. You'll find the exact measurements. And if it takes you straight to the bag, great. If it doesn't, it means it's sold. I'm really sorry, but it is so beautiful. It might not stick around for long. And then, let me tell you about what it comes with. Here we go, I'll pop the bag down. And we've got the Mulberry dust bag. It's a really lovely large dust bag. It comes with the Mulberry care card. And then we've got this little pouch here, which includes Mulberry product tag and the original Mulberry receipt. Tell you about the condition of the bag as well now. We have called the condition of this bag, the exterior, very good, because we cannot see really any signs of wear to the corners. The interior we have called good, because it's clean, but you can just see that it's been used. It just very slightly that someone's used it before. The exterior we have called very good, because we can't see any scratches or really any marks. The only very slight thing that stops it from being excellent is that you can just, with the natural wear and tear of this kind of pull on here, you can just see very slightly that it's just been used and pumped a little bit. If you love bags like us and you love all things Mulberry, Chanel, etc., make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell and turn on your notifications, and then you'll see all the goodies that we get coming through the door. It's amazing in here. We get so many beautiful bags. You will also find the link to our shop in this product description, in this video description. Click on that, you can see all our beautiful arm candy that we've got. You can see lots behind me. You'll get to see it all. We also have a request list, so if you have something in mind that you are really looking for or that you quite fancy, you will find a link in the description to our email, to our website. Hit that, find the contact us page, send us an email, tell us what you're looking for, and we will pop you on our request list, and you will get emails every time something you're looking for comes through our door. And everyone has a discount, so make sure you sign up for that. For your first purchase, If you go to any page on our website, scroll down to the bottom of the page and fill in your email, sign up to our newsletter, and that will come straight through. Your discount code will come straight through into your inbox. If it's not there immediately, check spam, because it will come through, but occasionally it goes into spam. And also, if you have loads of arm candy yourself and you would like to sell with us, go to our website, check out our pages, find our Sell With Us page. You'll have all the details that you need to know on there, and just get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. And that is all I have for now, and we will see you later with some more arm candy. Bye.